We are star. Real star. Hype. We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
Mama, why we're moving?
We're going somewhere else.
Where, Mama?
I don't know.
Don't break my toy, Mama. The man has my toy.
Don't worry, alright? The toy is coming with us.
Alright, yeah. Yo. Cause when gunshot a ring up like a bell, you have no hope, no one fit tell you lock up in a house as if you're living in a cell. And next door where my cousin dwell him out of asthma head, that's well him can't get no. Yo. Chano.
Yo, Benzly, you hold the session, what is the problem?
Chano, father, it's like me just not feel a one and me not feel the vibes, man. I don't know why.
Well, personally, this is not one of my favorite Innocent Kru songs. But you say you want to go hardcore to the street?
Alright, see what? You know what father say, like, I'll just come back and finish it, alright? Cause
that's okay with me.
Aye. It's like you not even understand the program, you know. Some boy a lip, you know, want them hear this like yesterday.
Come back on vibes, man. I don't feel the vibes.
Yo, look at my daughter how she getting big.
Chano, she cute style, yeah. Like you.
Yeah, man. Boy, tell me something. What you deal with?
What you mean?
My little daughter start going to school next week. Me have one more in a belly due for jump out next month. How much you got?
Who, me? Me not gone now.
You're a real joker, eh, man. You can't go and bag out your juice. You must have a plan for open bag juice factory.
Bag out my juice. My youth. I don't want my youth grow up like me. I don't want my youth to grow up and face the same things that I faced when I was growing up without a father. Yo, you have 2 baby mother. Are you not living with none of them? That not right.
You should be a family counselor, man. You always a come with them kind of talk. Yeah.
And that you say.
Let me tell you something, my youth. You can dead any time, any day. And you don't want to have one single seed on the land? Well, me not in that, you know. Before that, me breed them and left them.
You can breed them and leave them. And them leave you with a check for the clinic. Yeah?
You go on, man.
Yo, feel kind of peckish, you know. Go down to the cook shop and get something.
Not that you for a long time, man. You know, long the worm them in my belly and stop make pure nice. Them all a sing.
You hear them, man?
You know hear them?
So, Ansho, so what really going on between you and Black Shines?
I don't want you to get involved in this thing too deeply, you know. Remember, you don't live around here anymore.
Yeah, watch your man there.
I go on, my dad.
What a go on.
Yes, my brother.
My brother.
Everything good still, you know. Tune soon finish. Don't worry, is it?
Every time.
Yeah, man.
Time is nigh, and they seek not peace. They are warmongers and troublemakers. They are heathens and hypocrites. I am warning them. I am warning them that the time will come when they have to run like Usain Bolt.
So she stayed from I was a little baby, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, she talk too much.
The whole out name in a fridge. When time get too hot, it go off a cool. fridge. All I want to hold up people girl pick me on the name in a fridge. Courtney, you? Put your name in a fridge. Aye. All I want to innocent and no family. Who no name the pan fridge?
Why you talk so much, lady?
Me have me mouth it make me talk. If you know what's talking somewhere, you wouldn't know her.
You better take yourself from your son.
I say, Mark it.
Better move from your son, lady.
You know what the lady there, you know? She look like Shine's auntie from Backbush. What she a deal with?
The woman say we name in a fridge. Fridge?
Fridge? Yeah. What that supposed to mean?
That means say we mark for death. You know like when a man dead and then put him body on fridge?
Yo, them say that woman there's a Obia woman, you know.
You know what that mean?
What?
Time for I take for myself.
Yeah.
Beatrice called Doreen Jr.'s resident. Good night.
Stop on the foolishness and answer the phone properly. How are you doing?
Oh, Mama, is you.
Mama, tell her howdy for me.
Joe is here now. Said to tell you hello as well. So how you doing, Mama?
Not doing so well. The foot still paining me. I think I should come spend a month or two up there with you, you know.
Why, Mama? I mean, do you quite alright down there?
How you to know when I alright? How do you know and the goat?
Junior the goat is quite alright.
Don't use the two of them in a sentence like that. It don't sound good. So I'm coming up next week.
Alright, Mama. Alright. Yes, love you.
Alright, dear. Bye-bye.
Evening, boy. Uncle Joe, you're the most patient man on earth.
Why you say that?
You're teaching mommy to drive.
And she catching on to you know. I must tell you.
Excuse me.
No, what she really doing?
Nearly killed me off today. But she catching on, you know, kind of anxious, foot too heavy. But she's improving a lot.
Joe, don't bother with it.
Anyway, mommy, a little war going on down in the community, you know.
War?
Yeah. Remember Blacker?
Oh, the same black shines there?
Yes, man. Him and Andrew have a little feud. Yeah. Andrew run him out of the area.
God almighty, that's why me tell you not go back down there, you know, man. Joe, you can't talk to him. Me tell him not go down there, man. Meet your friend them pan natural ground. You know, like out a halfway tree. Or even better yet, Crossroad Police Station. Lord God, me can't take the problem. Me can't take it.
Mommy, all of my friends live down there. That is like me leaving and going overseas and then me can't come back to Jamaica. Liam!
Me no business with you now. You know no one big people. But anything up, nobody no call me. Oh. Sure. Anyway, your grandmother called and said she coming to visit.
Grandma coming up? That don't sound like a bad idea.
Oh yes. That's exactly what I was thinking. Until she said she coming to visit the goat.
The goat?
Oh boy. Ah boy no.
Goat.
Who them boy there?
They look like the dancer them from half of the back.
Them wickedy.
Yeah, me go up on the slavery, you know.
Yes.
So you don't know. Now who them boy there?
You know, look like two dancers, man, from around on the gully there.
I no say no.
Yeah. Yo, back up. Let me say you. Back up now.
tell you, say me no want no grip for me rice and peas, and you put it on it, man. Eh? Don't make it mad inside here. So that is bad customer service. I want my food.
Sir, we have no more food, only this rice. I'm sorry, you can get a refund.
Me no want no refund. Me want my food now.
Leave it to me. Brethren, what your problem?
Me not a problem that grabs it. Me not, everything cool. Me not no problem at all, man. Yeah?
I'll make sure you have the money when you come back.
This music thing take a whole new turn. Right now we need to take it on a more professional level. You especially grabs it. You need to pull up your socks. Tell you that.
Hi, I'm a change man, and this overseas tour is a big thing to me. Just remember, say, you have a video shoot, 4:30 this afternoon, all right? Hello? Good day, Mr. Jones. Yes, sir. The guys are preparing themselves nicely. And as a matter of fact, we have a #1 single out here, you know, and it's on YouTube. Really? Are you by a computer? Yes, man. It's on YouTube, man. Go check it, man. Right. Okay.
Give me 2 oxtail with rice and put them on Mummy Bill.
Me Bill?
That joke, I know. Yo, me want to know about the video shoot later, you know, and the clothes. I don't want anybody pressuring me this evening, you know.
Video crew set. No, say no.
Song is on the radio.
What?
Yes,
What
the song. Turn it up.
Oh, man, you, me tell you. Yo.
Sell off. Yo, hey, what night, when I tell you, say, me of the links.
You say, oh, look like a Jew.
Camera, action, stop. Push no pocket, no problem. A Jamaican.
Yo, you get my text?
Yo, doggy, them just shut up on Joe. And it not look good enough.
Where, sir? What you really said to me? Who do it?
Yo, me don't know any star. But it look like some dancer youth. Yo, don't you not run good. Yo, you know see the man was shot clumsy.
So when they know?
Yo, him gone hospital with Danjo. And 9 shots him getting.
What? Yo, me I come down there now.
No. No come down here. I'll be a feds. Meet you up at the hospital.
Yo, so come. Yo.
Sometimes you write song that comes back to haunt you. The energy you put out will come back at you same way.
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. G, bless up, you know. We there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just click the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, click the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?